Welcome to our road test of our 2017 66 plate Volvo V90 D5 SE all-wheel drive automatic. We've got 106,800 miles on the clock, and we're just giving it a little test just to make sure that it all drives okay, and it does. It drives very nicely indeed. You wouldn't know it's done. The mileage that it's done, and there's a number of reasons why that is. Not least, it's a great looking car. It does look really smart. No warning lights up on the dash. Everything is basically green enabled on it. It's a cracking car, really is. It belies its age and its mileage. The pedigree, which is the main thing with it really, is impeccable. It's A1. You've got two owners in the book. First one was, we believe, Volvo. The second owner, who's had it since August of 2017, has fully serviced it through Volvo. We've got 8 Volvo stamps in the book, right up to December of last year, all Marshall Cambridge. So it's been locally maintained, locally owned and maintained, full Volvo service history, all stamped in the book, and we have a stack of bills and receipts for it as well that all support the history. So as well as the stamp book, you've got all the invoices for this maintenance. It's recently had all new tyres, had a full set of brand new Bridgestone tyres on it. I think that was the back end of last year, so it's got matching Bridgestones all round as well. So pedigree wise, it's phenomenal. It's as good as you could ask for. It's generally a really nice car. History wise is ace, condition is ace. We've got 2 keys for it, 2 remote keys, all good. I mean, in addition to the standard spec, which is pretty high with these Volvos generally, it's got the rear privacy glass. It's also got the integrated sun blinds which come up out the inside of the door. You've got winter pack, so you've got heated seats, heated screen, and all your washer jets and stuff. It's got the family pack as well, so that's your rear seat bolsters that lift up for child boosters, so you don't necessarily need to put a seat in. It's in Onyx black, which is a really nice sort of dark metallic black with the blonde leather-faced upholstery. It's also got Apple CarPlay as well, which is a useful feature. So it's a lovely spec car. Ticks all the boxes in terms of everything from, as I say, keep going on about it, the pedigree, condition, everything about it is just really nice, which is why we took it in part exchange, but really happy to offer it as a retail prospect. It comes with 6 months warranty, which we include. You've got your all-wheel drive technology, which gives you that extra little bit of comfort and security all year round, not just in the winter. Yeah, lots of information up on the website about the car, photos. There's a video walk around that precedes this little test drive. But if there is any additional information that you'd like on the car, or the services that we offer, such as our delivery with our own in-house car transporter, then please do feel free to contact us at any time.